Hi everyone. If you want to turn on NFC on your Redmi 17C or learn how to use NFC features, this video is exactly what you need. Today I'll show you step by step how to enable NFC on Redmi 17C and how to use it for payments, file sharing, and other useful features. NFC is very helpful for contactless payments, connecting devices quickly, and transferring data in just a few seconds. Many Redmi users don't even realize NFC settings are available on their phone, or they don't know how to use them properly. Let's get started.